FB tweet. Pinterest email send text message print. Hoda Kotb and her girls had a very happy Easter. On Sunday, the Today Show co-host, 57, shared a sweet series of photos with her two daughters Haley, 4, and Hope, 2, and mother Sameha Kotb, who was also celebrating her birthday, as they enjoyed the holiday together. In the cute shots, Hoda grins ear to ear while posing in the living room with her loved ones while surrounded by various Easter decorations. Happy birthday mom! Happy Easter, rabbit, rabbit, heart, the television personality wrote in the caption of her post. Kotb shares her two daughters with ex-fiancé Joel Schiffman. The pair welcomed both of their children via adoption. On an episode of Today with Hoda and Jenna in January, Kotb announced that she and Schiffman would be going their separate ways after getting engaged in November 2019. During her January 31st announcement, Kotb revealed that she and Schiffman will continue to be loving parents to our adorable, delightful children. "Has a great guy," Kotb said of Schiffman. "Has a very kind and loving person, and I feel privileged to have spent 8 years with him. We are both good and we are both kind of going on our way and our path. We'll be good parents to those two lovely kids." Kotb also said that her breakup from Schiffman was not precipitated by any major event. "It's not like something happened," she explained at the time. "They say sometimes relationships are meant to be there for a reason, or a season, or for a lifetime. And I feel like ours was meant to be there for a season." By Georgia Slater at Georgia Slater. By Abigail Adams at Eats Abigail Adams.